Hello guys, we're cooking a pumpkin and today we need egg and chocolate together. First we need egg. Okay, so we need it and add fresh apples. Wait, what? Okay, I'm sorry guys, and then need cheat. So, rice. Oh wait, not this apple, not this apple. Okay, try again. Okay, add some rice plates. I break it. And then mix. Whoops, not again. I break it again. Okay, we put it into a chocolate. Okay, add some whole pumpkin and then this where the pumpkin go? Oh, there it is. Okay. How can I do this? Yes. Well, what the heck? Whoa. Yes, I did it. I know that. Okay, add some mayo and then destroy it. No mayonnaise, no. I gonna try you. Go away to my restaurant. Ow. Okay. Yep. So next we have egg. Get this. I get this and then destroy it. But this is not working. Why is it not working?